Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you something. What if I told you that in America today you could own a home, yes, a real home, for less than the price of a used Toyota Corolla? Not just any home, but one created by Tesla, designed under Elon Musk's futuristic vision, promising no property taxes, free land in select eco-communities, solar-powered independence, and a smart home system integrated into the very walls. Sounds impossible, right? But Elon Musk has just made it official. The Tesla tiny house is finally here, starting at only $7,999. And today, we're going to break it all down: what exactly this house includes, why it's shaking up the American housing market, who it's for, and how it could completely change the way Americans think about homeownership. So buckle up, because this isn't just about a house. This is about freedom, disruption, and the rebirth of American Dream. The official announcement: Tesla has finally unveiled the Tesla tiny house, priced at $7,999, a price point so low that it instantly shocked the housing industry. Let's put this into perspective. The median home price in the U.S. today is over $400,000. Average rent in cities like New York, San Francisco, and Los Angeles easily crosses $200,000 to $300,000 per month. And even in smaller states, people are struggling with rising mortgages and property taxes. Now imagine Tesla drops a bombshell. For less than $800,000, you can own a self-sufficient, fully functional, smart, solar-powered home. But Elon Musk didn't stop there. He announced something even more shocking. Select buyers of the Tesla tiny house will be eligible for free land allocations in Tesla eco-communities, with zero property taxes. This isn't just about housing. This is a shot fired directly at the housing crisis, real estate developers, and even government tax systems. What's inside the Tesla tiny house? So, what do you actually get for $7,999? Unlike RV or traditional trailers, the Tesla tiny house is more like a modular smart pod, a futuristic, compact home built with transparent aluminum windows for strength and insulation, recycled steel framing for durability, eco-friendly composites to keep the carbon footprint low. Inside, the space is compact, about 200 to 300 square feet, but every inch is optimized. Features include a convertible living space with Tesla's futuristic take on multi-use furniture, a compact kitchen with induction cooking, water filtration, and greywater recycling, a bathroom pod with Tesla's water-saving and purification system, full climate control powered by renewable energy, and the Tesla AI Hub, a smart home brain that manages lighting, climate, security, and energy usage automatically. And yes, this house can move. It's fully portable. You can hitch it up to a Tesla Cybertruck, transport it anywhere, and even plug it directly into Tesla superchargers for emergency power. For $7,999, you don't just get shelter. You get independence, mobility, and futuristic living, all bundled into one. Part 3: Why this matters to the U.S. audience. 700-1200. Now let's be real. Why should Americans care about this? Because the housing crisis is worse than ever. In states like California and New York, families are being priced out of homeownership. Retirees are crushed by property taxes. Young Americans graduating with student debt feel the American dream is out of reach. The Tesla tiny house changes this conversation. For veterans, it offers affordable housing that's both dignified and high-tech. Retirees a chance to downsize without sacrificing comfort or independence. Millennials and Gen Z a futuristic, AI-powered home that matches their lifestyle. Low-income families a realistic path to ownership without being locked into endless debt. It's not just a house, it's a lifeline. Tesla's secret advantage. Why can Tesla pull this off while no one else can? Because of vertical integration. Musk controls the entire ecosystem. Solar panels through Tesla's solar roof. Energy storage through Tesla Powerwall. EV charging network across America. AI smart software through Tesla's advanced machine learning. And now, housing. All of these connect. The Tesla tiny house is not just a standalone product, it's a node inside the Tesla ecosystem. And here's the real kicker. Tesla isn't just selling homes. They're building Tesla eco-villages, entire communities powered by solar, backed by Starlink internet, and linked directly to gigafactories. Imagine this, entire neighborhoods that don't need traditional utilities, homes powered off, grid by renewable energy, internet delivered by Starlink satellites, communities living without mortgages, without property taxes, without dependence on outdated infrastructure. That's not just disruption, that's revolution. The impact on America, let's break it down into three major impacts. 1. Housing market disruption. Banks, developers, and real estate giants thrive on expensive mortgages. If Tesla proves you can live comfortably for under $10,000, the entire housing market could face collapse or forced evolution. 2. Energy independence. Entire Tesla neighborhoods could exist completely off-grid, immune to blackouts, rising utility bills, and fossil fuel dependency. That's not just convenience, that's national resilience. 3. Reviving the American dream. For decades, the American dream meant homeownership, but for millions, that dream died under crushing debt. Tesla's tiny house could bring it back. Challenges and controversies, of course. Not everything is smooth sailing. Skeptics argue, will governments even allow free land, no tax zones? Can a 200 square foot house really fit American families? Will banks, developers, and energy companies push back to protect their interests? These are valid concerns, but remember, people also doubted Tesla cars, doubted reusable rockets, doubted Starlink, and yet, Musk delivered. The future vision. Elon Musk has made it clear. Tesla is not just a car company. It's a lifestyle company for the future. The Tesla tiny house is part of his master plan. Step by step, Tesla is building cars for sustainable transport, energy for off-grid living, internet through Starlink, housing through the tiny house project. Within a decade, we could see entire Tesla cities, communities powered by solar, driven by EV, connected through Starlink, and built on affordable, sustainable housing. That's not science fiction. That's the next chapter of American living. Finally, so now I want to ask you, would you buy a Tesla tiny house for $7,999 if it included free land and no property taxes? Do you believe this is the future of American housing? Or is it just another bold Musk experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you're excited about the future of Tesla, innovation, and the rebirth of the American dream, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Because trust me, this is only the beginning of Tesla's next big revolution.